Alright, we're about to see what happens when you put a piece of paper in a microwave.
As long as you put it in about 4 minutes.
Yeah. It's not already. Okay, it looks like it's curling.
Yeah, let me get closer. I'm putting this on YouTube. Watch it become like a big sensation or something.
Yeah, piece of paper never burns.
Hey, what's that black stuff? That's a microwave.
No, it's a microwave.
Oh, it's not doing anything?
Not yet, it curled in a little bit. This is so juvenile. Let's go to a hotel and put the paper in a microwave, see what happens.
Any thoughts on this?
It's going around.
I think it's entirely ill-advised, but since when have we ever cared about what's advised?
I personally think this is groundbreaking. Watch as the paper goes round and round. It's smooth will burn. Burn. I can smell it now.
Oh, I was getting something out of it.
You smell it?
Oh yeah.
Why does it flame start?
Then we're screwed.
We always say we just put some popcorn in there and we accidentally had a piece of paper stuck to it.
Well, true.
There is popcorn right there.
Think it'll melt? Does paper melt?
It's paper melt.
Yep. First made all of us together, and this is what we do. I would expect nothing less.
It looks like it moved.
It is moving.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it lifted, like it jumped.
No, I can smell it strong now. Got like a minute left. So far it hasn't caught on fire, so it'll last the whole time. Tough piece of paper.
I have to give this thing an A+ for safety, though, because
Yeah.
it ain't burning.
Hasn't burned on the hotel yet, so that's good.
Watch, we open the door up and it goes poof.
I think this could end in us getting arrested.
And then we'll have video evidence just to make it worse for our case.
Already. Oh, it's starting to smell strong. I'm not turning it off until it hits its destination.
It's about there. Almost there. Oh man, yeah, that is strong. I think it's getting a little yellowed in the center.
When it stops, I'm going to record you taking it out.
Alright.
Because I don't want to touch it because I'm not stupid.
Maybe we need something to touch it with to make sure it's not,
You should do it with your hand.
Yeah, but I mean maybe a stick or something so you can see if it's going to make whatever touches it spontaneously combust.
Yeah, I wonder if they have any complimentary sticks here in the Oh! Aww.
Let's
That's
see
kind of disappointing.
Let's see. Okay, here we go.
Dun dun dun. How's it feel?
Like paper.
Wait, let me touch it. It's not even that hot.
Radioactive paper.
There you have it, people. Days in paper is indestructible.